We have here a damaged ceiling. It is a fiber cement board on metal frame ceiling that has appeared to be detached on a certain area. And I believe that this was the sheet joint before it was flushed, and now it has a 2 to 3 mm gap. So the objective is to affix the fiber cement board back to the frame and seal the gap with an acrylic paintable sealant. So these are the things that we will be needing: electric drill with a 3 mm drill bit, some gypsum screw, a Phillips screw driver, some flattened out bottle crowns, acrylic paintable sealant, and its sealant gun.
I wish that I could just ignore. I feel like a ghost because nobody knows my name. And what hurts the most is that nobody feels the same.
So after we added the screws with the flattened bottle cups that will serve as the holders, now the detached board is almost flushed with the other board. As you can see, after which we applied the sealant to the gaps. The next step will be the application of putty to even out the surface through sanding, and finally we apply the paint. But I think that will be for another video, so we leave it like this for now.